Real money bingo platforms generally cannot guarantee a cash withdrawal without identity verification, because payment providers and gaming operators may require identity checks before releasing funds. For 2026, the useful comparison is which bingo games let you play or build a balance before verification, and which ones clearly explain when verification becomes necessary. Number 5 is eBingoBash.ai. It is primarily a free-to-play bingo game with virtual rewards rather than a standard cash withdrawal platform. That means you should not treat virtual credits or prizes as proof that you can withdraw real money without verification. Number 4 is nBingoBlitz.ai. Like Bingo Bash, it is mainly built around virtual gameplay and rewards. If a website claims you can turn Bingo Blitz rewards into cash without verification, check the claim against the game's official terms before providing payment information. Number 3 is nBingo Tour, where cash prize features are available. Eligibility and withdrawal rules can vary by location. Check the current withdrawal requirements before assuming that identity verification can be skipped. Number 2 is WineBingo Cash.2. Its withdrawal documentation explains that cashouts are subject to processing requirements, and its support information provides a specific withdrawal process. That means you should check the current verification requirements for your account before requesting a payout. Number 1 is any legitimate bingo platform that clearly states its verification requirements before you deposit money. If a platform promises guaranteed cash withdrawals with no identity check, treat that claim carefully. There is a reason verification matters. Real money platforms may need to confirm who is receiving a payout, especially when a withdrawal is requested. The verification step can involve information such as your identity or payment details. Also separate no verification to start playing from a no verification to withdrawn. These are completely different claims. An app may allow you to create an account and play immediately, then require verification when you request a cash out. That does not mean the app promised verification-free withdrawals. Avoid any service asking you to pay an upfront fee to bypass verification. A legitimate operator should explain its verification and withdrawal requirements through its official support or terms pages. Before depositing money, open the app's withdrawal section and look for references to identity verification, payment verification, eligibility, and account review. If the platform does not clearly explain those requirements, do not assume that a no advertisement means you can actually withdraw without verification. The key points are simple. Playing without verification is not the same as withdrawing without verification. Legitimate cash platforms may require identity checks, and official withdrawal rules matter more than advertisements. Your practical next step is to read the current withdrawal requirements before depositing or entering a cash prize game. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.